Welcome back to the channel. My name is Lakshmi and I make content on travel, lifestyle, fashion, beauty and food too. If you're new here, please do hit that subscribe button and turn it into grey. Today's video is another recipe video of a traditional Konkani dish prepared in the Udupi, Mangalore region called SANNA POLO. SANNA POLO is a spicy cabbage onion dosa which can be eaten along with the meal. So it's a very different kind of a recipe which is made out of coconut and rice and cabbage and onions. So that is put on a pan as a dosa and eaten along with rice for lunch. So that gives it a different kind of a taste. I am down with cold, so my voice is totally off. Please do excuse me for that. So the video is going to be interesting. Stick till the end and let's begin. So let us now go directly into the kitchen. So the prerequisites are, this is the grated coconut, this is tamarind, this is red chilli and this is another type of red chilli. This is one shell, half coconut grated here. This is about this much quantity, maybe a ball. This quantity of tamarind, 10 chilies, 10 small or red chilies to give it the spice. This is just to give color, maybe around 3-4 longer chilies to give color. One small ball of hing, so that would be maybe half spoon of hing. This is the measuring cup called Paav. This is 250 grams. So 1 Paav of rice is soaked here. So you have to soak the rice for about an hour, 1 hour before making this dosa. You have to soak it. And next, this is Turdaal. This also you have to soak. This is optional, but people generally add it for about an hour. If you soak it, the size becomes bigger. Here is the rice, here is the turdaal. Next we have to grind all of this and make it into a batter. So that batter we are going to do now. Let's see what my mom does. And as usual, my mom is the cook. I am the videographer. That's it. All cooking credits to my mother. Now you add everything inside this mixer. So here there is all the things that were in the plate. The grated coconut, chilli, tamarind, hing, all types of chilli, little water. Everything goes inside this now. After that, then you add rice and turdaal. After you are done with one round of grinding, then you add that rice and that turdaal. While the mixer is grinding, you please hit that subscribe button and turn it into grey. Thank you. It has become a very sticky paste. You can add water to this. Now we add the turdaal into the mixer and grind it. Now next is rice. So here rice goes. This is 1 Paav of rice. 250 grams of rice goes here. This much of salt is added now. Maybe 2 spoons of salt as per taste. The batter is ready here. This is how is the consistency of the batter. It's very thick. Do not make it watery consistency and all of that. This has 4 onions sliced into small pieces. This is 1/4 cabbage of a big cabbage. So cabbage, you would know, patta gobi. I think this is called patta gobi in Hindi, cabbage in English. Kannada antu kosu. 1/4 cabbage. This is 4 onions. So this is going to be mixed to this batter now. Abhi mummy mix karegi. Now mix everything. And then you keep a kadai here on the gas, add some oil to it and let it heat. This is a cast iron kadai, what you call pan. This is a cast iron pan which my mother uses. She's been using this for quite so many years now. While we all switched to non-stick and so many other things, she just stuck to this. And now after life came one full circle for everybody when they said non-stick is not good for you, go back to cast iron. So yes, so she didn't have to make any changes. She was just with the cast iron thing.
Oh my god.
This is the mixed batter. This is the onion and the cabbage. Now she'll show how thick it is. It's pretty thick. Do not make it watery consistency. From this you are going to make dosa. First you add oil. इतना तो अपने को आता है मम्मी. पहले तेल डालना पड़ता है. Now you let this fry. This is my sound effect. Okay. It turns into a different color, golden color, orangish color. Now you put ulta. See, behind the back side is kind of like, fried. Similarly, the front side also has to be fried. This batter is sufficient for 10 people. Maybe 15-20 dosas you can make out of this. If you are making for lesser number of people, you can scale it accordingly. See, it's totally fried. That's how it should be. If you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Now it's tasting time and we have a new contestant in this game of tasting, and that is Guruji. Person who cooked it, and now here is the person who will taste it and he will tell how is the taste. अभी इम्तिहान की घड़ी आ गई है. आपके खाने के बारे में, स्वाद के बारे में मास्टर शेफ जज करेंगे. हाँ. पंडला ಎಂಚ ಉಂಡು पंडला. ಹಾಯ್
ಶೋಭಾ ಕಾಮತ್ ಅವರು ಇದನ್ನು ತಯಾರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಈರುಳ್ಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗ್ತಿದೆ ಬಾಯಿಗೆ, ಆ ಥರ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್, ಖಾರ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ವೀಟ್, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಖಾರ.
This fellow watched some reality show and came. I don't know.
ಕ್ಯಾಬೇಜ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆನಿಯನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬಾಯಿಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಖಾರ ಆಗಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ.
Now somebody pay this guy for overacting. ओड़ी होदा. बोलो अभी सब्सक्राइब करने को बोलो.
ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಣ್ಣ ನಮಗೆ ಸಣ್ಣ ಫಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾಳಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Now it's my time.
3, 2, 1.
Kurkuri jala, kurkuri. Very nicely roasted and very nice it is. Super. If you want more roasted, you can keep it for longer time on the gas. Now my mother will say something. Subscribe. So that is all that I have for this video. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and support my YouTube journey. Let me know in the comments that, have you seen this kind of a recipe anywhere, or do you cook this kind of a thing with cabbage and onions? Do you make any dish out of it? So let me know in the comments. I'm excited to know. If you like the video, hit the like button. Until next time, take care and bye.